JM video with mommy. Waka same way 3 solid times. That more catch the nyame wakwaya of us yena juma. Just last week, ena Akufo-Addo nam ena afibia bedra and I know Akufo guys that Akufo say go the reserves thing na me so funny guys me say yesi me kumiri na so ya ne masaka se ngoma biaba e bedra ba so bre museya na ngrofo ke cancer na this for ke cancer. You see how God works. Go back in 2015 2016 and check campaigner Akufo-Addo nom ede Airbus we go back. You see, when you are clean, you don't need to talk too much. When you know your hands are clean, you don't need to talk too much. How we are say. And that is why John Mahama, look, sometimes me who John Mahama, me have to people say, and the papa will in some way yakagunu so sano. How is he surviving? You always see him smiling, enjoying his life, because onimnitrimu say no. John Mahama, kwame check it. John Mahama through a challenge. Mahama say, now I am a former president. What's it matoto a Japadia ewo Dubai? You are in government. You are in government. Akufo-Addo, Baumia, you are in government. Said the mutimi suma nipa man call a Dubai on Ameri. Go to same Dubai. And near Makura Mosima to talk a year Dubai, me de Ghana for Sika Kotono. Mon confirm na mo investigate me. John Mahama through some way am Akufo-Addo on several occasions. Akufo-Addo a liar, a criminal liar, a damn hater, always bitter. Akufo-Addo is a bitter guy walking around. A bitter guy walking around. There be a better. Na kuma esum bone. Look. I hate people who play on dirty politics for survival. And that is why meant me in my lifetime in support to Akufo-Addo. I supported President Kufuor. I was then with the late Sir John. Me made the MPP, a woman organizer. So I know. But when Akufo-Addo came into the scene, I realized that this is a dirty person. No, I can't. Yeah, maybe a dirty politician. He doesn't care about anything. The ends justifies the means. So be kunipa or be destroying Crawford. Now when you achieve your power, he will do it. He doesn't care. Oh yeah, no, I done it no quick. And for no mean to me, I can't stand them. They turn around so quick, so fast. Then they come and complain. As if say Obi and Aya Womu Bibi. This is how John Mahama suffered from false information. Akufo-Addo. This is how Akufo-Addo has John Mahama has suffered from false information. This is how John Mahama has suffered. John Mahama and his family, they have lived with this evil for years. John Mahama and his family and his friends, they have lived with these lies for years. You see, let me tell you something. Look, me Bobie Ansah, I don't easily support anything. When I support somebody, then I'm very clear in my mind and I know that yes, I'm on the right path. me na me nim say John Mahama problem onya ye ewo Ghana nyina ne say I want to develop Ghana. Then their guys were like, "Sa ay oma sofo no. Fasika ne bra mayendi. Fasika ne bra. John Mahama so okwa kosi eye your friend say Nkrumah interchange. They asked him why should you use money? Ghanaian doesn't need a yeah. What did you say in Ruho? When I'm done, full okay. John Mahama could see cycling interchange. I'm saying no, don't do it. John Mahama see cycle interchange we oko si Kumase market no man ko fa ma mo me bone kedinchire. Look at this irony. Dia ono kwame dia ono di oman sika kosi Kumase kejetia no e ma ko ro wo mo ho akere no dia ono 8 years ni ontimi nwie ye no e ma no ngro wo mo ho nkere no enya nwanwa asemwe enya Ghana nko na besi enya nwanwa me say John Mahama problem onya ye nyina ne say he decided to build Ghana just like Nkrumah. And this Akufo-Addo and his guys evil. They are evil demons. Akufo-Addo ya bayfo on pa de papa at the papa eba maimu a na opama de no inti sa Kwame, how can you tell somebody iya onu onya 4 years osi Kumase kejetia phase 2 esiwo race course esiwo 8 years eyana ne nkola no ai Mahama nya 4 years ena Nanado nya 8 years omunim nyansa se Ghana for now Ghana for adwuma bie and enya omu ferry that you are comparing 8 years to 4 years and still you cannot catch up. You can't catch up. 8 years won't mean fun catch up 4 years. You are struggling. 8 years won't be fun catch up. Look, Akufo-Addo Baumia, yama almost 50 years they can never catch up with John Mahama. Yama almost 50 years they can never catch up with John Mahama. Give them 50 years. John Mahama first can bra me nkodi. Also, ye mum ye nye tema runabout no ye ko kasa wo ye kronfo. John Mahama system na so say de nyame ya John Mahama. Aha. Wo the force now down na tiemu. I haven't done it. John Mahama, they don't go around telling people Airbus, I haven't done it. No. John Mahama just gave all to Christ. And he prayed over it. And in his time, God decided to answer him. Very touching. Who decided? Look, let me tell you. Message John Mahama throw a yes. Serious challenge amawomo but bianu John Mahama bejira omie na no nka say prosecute me adekura na mo se mo wono. How can you call somebody corrupt for almost 8 years and over? Then you got the opportunity to run the country. You have the prosecutors in your hand, investigative bodies in your hand. Adekura na ma wo se me ye corrupt, bring it out was minibi. Then for the past 4 years they were hanging on Airbus because ninuya edia kwa ko baby bi mu. Akufo-Addo afọ kwache cocaine wo abunuya ba cocaine wo Akufo-Addo ya no ntino now say eye wakonta afọ kwache, and for that matter me mo afọ kwache din e matter with din about cocaine wo Akufo-Addo. sometimes the lessons I've learned from John Mahama is sometimes leave everything to God. Just leave it to God. Just relax. Take it easy and leave it to God. But I would try to obey peg you. Menya you na ohene na ono so namu na gabi di nam baby. Abronye timitra radio si John Mahama papa ko wi generator na ebo ni dua ku no. Enye sad. Senka Ibrahim no so beba be kasa. You see, when you know that your family is clean and your hands are clean, and Rana a frame, Liso a frame, yes, Akwabi, na 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 na, ta na 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 na, in his time, Nimre mo ye bibia fe. Mo dintro. Ha na onipa da se ne yetimi abagina radio so say ono wuntumi enya intelligence say Dr. Lordin aniwo John Mahama ne omumade akoda na onipa de nam na people for the nam radio so, and when they go and sit on radio and say it, you need your host for no from Peace FM and they understand it. You know nya atimdidie. When those who support John Mahama give them the same measure, oh, they are insulting us. No nipa da sani want to me Jimmy way. Eh? At me at we are say, yeah, baby anka kwame nka say want to me what them. And I know MPP will come into power and leave want to me. Boni akwa we di on my way and say ensuo. Any acquire say want to me wo ko jail. No more disantrono. No more coffee. Oh, John Mahama, you say wawu 6 wa dansuman. What is you know? 2020, yeah, but 2020 abano. Wawu 6 wa dansuman. You say papa no. Look at this. Look, let me tell you. Kwame, meka amagana fuate. That issue about sa girl no otonyom no. Omo friend say. Miss Bell, any bakuno maybe ni momo. What Tracy Boache? John Mahama has no clue. He has no idea. Oh, I know be a friend. Oh, Quabranti, enti John, and then Koleya semi. Then I laugh over it. And Ekufadu General complaining about false information. Nana feria Kufadu feria de when you muade na umuade ubuade you will never complain. You will never complain about false information. Adia momo dia ye nipa okroma. Hwe kware oh Akufadu ohun hwio momu susa eye na nse ya nkrofo a omo baaye no ene sa boys na nse na omo ba radio so no a omo 2012, some of us from 2008 to 2012, that's 2009, 2010, 2011 to 2012. Kwame, some of us now we're deep. Now you're center, game no center. Me come through. Say ukotie Samuel Akufo-Addo ne boys kafa atamels ho. No omo before John Mahama ho a obefe. And no man yankola biti radio so omo na susu na kan kwase asem. Onim kwase asem Akufo-Addo akeka no okroma. Do you have any idea kwase asem pa Akufo-Addo akeka no Ghana ha? Kwase asem Akufo-Addo Bombay, kwase asem. Ya ka dirty politicians are Kwakuba konom Akufo-Addo ba mi anokra de so ono de didi atemplane ti kwasi asem Gabi Ochidako. Monko first statesman from 2007-8. Na monko shadia. Gabi Ochidako na ofre John Mahama kraman ba. Gabi Ochidako na ofre John Mahama kram atamels ofre ne kraman ba. And on radio, on the statesman newspaper, write-ups or the two international web. What are you talking about today? When more complaining, hey, really? That time a catch wrong was a look. Adiana mo yano, a beba tomu debi. And today you don't want to take it, and you are complaining. False information. And today, I said the onyame or yena de. The chroma edin. And that's so we na me pese me yesa. But I just want to dedicate this show to John Mahama.